Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our tech series. Today, we're going to talk about a common issue that many of you might be facing. How to turn on Use This Folder option on your phone. So, let's dive right in. Step 1. Turn on Developer option. Step 2. Open Shizuku app. If you don't have Shizuku app, download it from Play Store. Step 3. Connect any Wi-Fi network. Click on Developer option. Turn on USB debugging. Turn on wireless debugging. Click on Pair device with pairing code. Enter this code. Now, click on Start. Wait 3 sec. Done. Open PGT. Click Advanced Graphics. Turn on Shizuku mode. Now apply settings and run game. Here you can see I unlocked 60 FPS. Thanks for watching.